Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho CRM and create blueprints step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Zoho CRM website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Type in your registered email address. Next, enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your information. After logging in, you will arrive at your Zoho CRM dashboard. Next, to create a blueprint, look for the setup icon, typically represented by a wrench or gear icon. Click on the setup icon to access the settings. In the setup menu, navigate to the automation section. Under this section, find and click on blueprints. You will see an option to create a new blueprint. Click on Create Blueprint. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of your blueprint. Next, select the module for which you want to create the blueprint. Click on Next to proceed. You will now enter the blueprint editing interface. Start by defining the stages of your blueprint. For each stage, describe the actions that can be performed. Add transitions between stages by clicking on the transition line. Specify the criteria for each transition to guide users effectively. Continue adding stages and transitions as needed until your blueprint is complete. Once you are satisfied with the design of your blueprint, review all settings. To finalize your blueprint, click the Save button. Your blueprint is now created and will be available for use in your CRM processes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.